LowE windows refer to the glass that's used in the windows. Most of the windows that we use here in the north are a double pane window. And so the differences with the LowE is there's LowE 272 or LowE 366. And LowE means low emissivity, which is just a fancy way of saying how much heat does that glass pack reflect rather than letting to pass through. So LowE 272 has 2 layers of LowE and it lets 72% of that radiant heat come through. LowE 366 has 3 coats of LowE and allows 66% of that thermal transmission. Here in Minnesota, sometimes we like the extra warmth coming in the winter time, but we definitely want to keep that out in the summer. And so the LowE coating, it's a metal oxide coating that goes on the glass that reflects the UV rays. Now, if you're upgrading from, say, 20 or 30-year-old windows, the rate that you're going to get on the return that you're going to get on the windows from where you are now to where these newer windows with upgraded installation techniques and the glass and how windows are put together, that's going to be a very big jump. So whether you go LowE 272 or LowE 366 might not make that big of a difference because you're going to see so much of a gain from just replacing your 20 or 30-year-old windows. But you know, if you do have a room that gets really hot in the summertime, maybe a sunroom that sticks off the back that faces south or west, LowE 366 might be something that you want to consider just in that room. But for the most part, the LowE windows that we put in are all 272.